Do you want to change your avatar on Discord? Let me show you how to change your avatar. Once you sign into your Discord account, on the lower left hand side, go ahead and click on the user settings gear. From here, you want to click on edit display name. You want to click on that and you will scroll down a bit and you will find change avatar. Go ahead and click on that. And from here, you can either upload your own image or you can choose a GIF and so forth. Here's where it's going to show your recent avatar. Right, so let's say I would like to upload something from my PC. I can click on that and find an avatar. So I'm going to just choose this car here, click on open. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and allow me to adjust it the way I want. So let's say I want it like that. I can go ahead. You can even make the picture larger. And once you're satisfied, click on apply. And you will see that it changed your avatar. And that's it, guys. Once you're finished, click on save settings at the bottom. And that's it. My avatar is now changed, and I can click the exit or the escape button and you will see my avatar is changed. You can see it in the lower left hand side as well. And that's it.